Well, hello everyone. This is Everett Johnston, author of Commercial Plumbing Maintenance. This is the soft copy, and this is the hard copy. I know that many of you have purchased my book, and I appreciate it. Um, the main goal of this book is to help you guys learn what to do in commercial buildings and how to maintain it as a maintenance plumber. Now, it's a big difference in working commercial work or working residential because this book is here to help you. Now, it's sold on Amazon.com, and I can give you many examples of what I've got in the book, but let me just go over real quick. I know I've had several videos on my credentials, but I'm a master plumber. I'm a universal certified air conditioning refrigeration. I'm medical gas certified as a brazier. I've taken so many different classes, boiler classes, roof classes, painting classes, you name it, as far as a variety of classes. But, as far as license, I worked as a plumber pipe fitter, the leader at the VA hospital for 22 years. I worked in the union, Local 3, for 11 years, and mainly just did commercial work. And I worked at the Bellagio for 2 years as a maintenance plumber. And I did the weekend. I was a sole plumber there on the weekends for the entire facility. So when they needed help, they'd call on me. The other 3 days, I was working with my fellow plumbers. But the information you're going to gain here and why I wrote this book is because all the facilities had problems. All the facilities needed improvement. All the facilities need something, a better maintenance program. And that's what this book is about and why we do it. Let's talk about water hammer real quick. I'm just going to give you one chapter right here, water hammer. Okay, it's in my book. It describes what water hammer is about and pretty much how to resolve it. But you have to have a background in plumbing. It's not just, I can just figure that. Shock absorbers help water hammer. Hangers, properly hung pipe to begin with, would help decrease in water hammer. I write it all in this book about rushing noises, why you get rushing noises. That's because of certain fittings and valves, and you want to reduce 90s as much as you can to 45s. And so that's a big reason there. I go on in the book and give you many more key solutions of how to resolve these problems. And if you learn one thing about water hammer and how to resolve it, it's worth the price of the book. I think it's 29 bucks or something for or 24 bucks, but you got the hard copy and you got the soft copy. So, you can take your pick. And if you're an Amazon member, I think you can get it for $5. You can just read it. So, that's what this is about. It's about plumbing and it's about commercial maintenance. So being a commercial maintenance plumber is totally different. And this is why I put specific things in here. And, testing pressures, so many different things. I show water hammers in here. I show water hammer arresters. I show vacuum breakers, atmospheric, double check valves, double assemblies. I go into man hours to install certain things, which will help you do a little bit of estimating. I didn't go into everything specifically because that would be a whole new book. And I have one of those, but a lot of people keep those under the wraps. So chemicals, I talk about chemicals, why certain chemicals you can use and chemicals you shouldn't use. A lot of this you're not going to get on YouTube. I've gone to YouTube to find out information. They're going to show chemicals and other guys are not going to show chemicals. Using things for your sewer, chemicals for the sewer. As a maintenance plumber, you have to be very, very careful where you work. Do you use certain chemicals? And I have a specific thing in here about it. And this is why I want you to read it. That's why I want you to get it. That way you'll learn. You can go buy a case of beer or buy a book. So buy the book keep it with you, learn. It's very simple. Learn, learn, learn. All right? So, have a great day.